In this tutorial, we're going to create a tree by using the new PCG system in Unreal Engine 5.7. Without further ado, let's get in the tutorial. Yeah, so Unreal Engine 5.7 has brought this new procedural foliage system, which is totally insane. We could create trees or plants by using this PCG system. So for creating that interactive animated foliage system, just go to the edit section. You will have the plugins. Just open it and just type vegetation and before restarting, we have to do one more thing. Just go to the project setting and create. Just type nanite. So you'll see this nanite. Under the nanite, you can see nanite foliage, which is totally experimental. Just mark it and restart. Just go to the foliage. You can see this procedural vegetation has come here, and so we need a vegetation to create a PCG. So what you want to do is just go to the Epic, and here you can see the fab. Now you can see a lot of stuff here. We have mega plants, European beech, mega plants, Aleppo pine, lot of stuff here. What you want to do, just click it and it will open. Now it is totally free. What you want to do, you just have to add to the project. Select Unreal Engine and just click add to the project, and it will be visible on the fab library here. So just select the mega plants from here and just add to the project. So that's it. So after I added the foliage system to the project, you will see the foliage, and just click on the procedural vegetations, where we will create the tree here, and with that tree we will create a tree blueprint which has total control of its wind and leaf system, everything there. So just click on that. You will see these two options here, but you will just create new procedural vegetation from here, and let me just rename it as trees. That's it for now, and double click and open it. You'll see this. This is totally new for the Unreal. We have a whole new level of creating trees here, and that is very unique. So now what you want to do for the first time is you just have to type procedural vegetation preset loader. Just click that. So nothing's there. So you have to add one of these. So we already added this mega plants here. So if you added that, you will see all of these options here. So make sure that you already added that. Now what you want to do is, we can actually create a tree with total control. Like you can create its gravity, slope, scalar values, and branch control, everything from here. So now what I'm going to add right now is, I'm going to add a node called carve. Now as you can see, we got 4 options here, right? We can add 4 trees here if you want to see. Now you see it, now it's shows like totally voxelized. If you want to see the tree, you just have to type mesh builder, so it will be visible, not as voxel. So the whole branches has bone structure here, so it will be animated later. For the sake of this video, I'm just concentrating on the blueprint nodes here. Now what I'm going to add is, I want to add some gravity over here. Let me just add the gravity. So So if you select this car, you can see the car basis and the car structure here. So you can control these units. Okay, now just go there. You can control the car unit or a radius from here, just like this. I'm just select the length from root. So it's totally upon to you. And one more thing, if you want to see the height of the tree, you can just select this tool settings and just type select the mannequin. So you'll see the human structure here. So you'll get the basic idea how tall is this tree. So and you'll get the option scale visualization. So you'll get the idea how tall is how much tall is this thing. Now it shows that 12 meter or something. So if you want to reduce that, you just have to do the carving here. So you'll reduce the tree just like that. If you want to, tree will be small if you control this carve setting here. So it's totally upon to you. So I need a tree. Yeah, this one is good for me. Now in the gravity settings, if you control this thing, you can actually pull the tree branches to the ground. Because of the gravity, you can adjust the gravity level by using this control system here. So I'm just yeah, this is good for me. Now what I want to do is I need a slope. This thing is totally upon to you. If you want the tree to be slanted or something, you just have to add the slope here. So you can control the tree slanting structure. If the tree is growing on a riverside or a mountain side, the tree usually would seen as kind of slanted to the surface. So you can use this slope for the slanting. For me, I just want to make this tree straight, just like that. This is good for me. So this is fantastic for the game developers who just want to create trees in the level development. And this one is totally procedural and totally voxelized, so the performance will be very high. Rather than creating static mesh, this one is totally animated, and this is totally optimized. So now what I want to add is a scalar. Scale, connect this one. So we can control the scale of the tree. Okay, so if you selected this scale, you can actually make this tree grow or ungrow just like this. But the carving is different. Carving is just the branches will grow. Okay, only using the carve setting, the branches only grows, or it will be okay. You can control the branches growth, everything by using the carve. But in the scale setting, you can literally grow the tree by the whole tree will be grown by using this scale thing. So it's totally upon to you as well. Now what I want to add is remove branch. Okay, so just add the remove branch here. Now see, you can actually remove the branches. If you need a lot of branches, by using these remove branches, you can control the branches length or how much branch you need for this tree. That's the use of this remove branches. I am okay with this. Okay. Now we need. So as you can see, this tree is actually rigged. So this tree is animated, so we need to see the bone. So bone reduction is here, and we can control the bones. So you need to connect this mesh builder to connect the bone reduction here. Okay, so before connecting to the connecting bone reduction here, you need to add the mesh builder here. Okay, so connect this one to the bone reduction, you will see the bones. So for me, this is you can see a lot of bones here. This would drastically reduce the performance of the PC. So I need to reduce the bones. So you can reduce the bone just like this, so the performance will be higher. But if you increase the bones here, the animation of the trees will be very fluid and more natural looking. But if you reduce the bones, it will be like not natural looking animated. But for me, this is very optimized. So I increase the strength of the bone, so I can reduce the bones here. I just want that tree should be more. Make a move according to the wind. That's only I need. So I need the performance of the PC as well. So if you reduce the bone here, you can get the maximum performance. But if you increase the bones here, the performance will be reduced, but the trees would be look like more naturally animated by the wind. So this is the control unit for the bones. Okay, now what I want to add is a foliage palette. So this is very interesting. So we got a lot of leaves, branches here. So just mark this. You can actually add branches here according to your plan. You can change it by selecting here. You can change it something like this, and the plants branches here. Okay, that's totally upon to you. This is basically controlling the leaves and branches of the tree you're creating. Now what I want is a foliage distributor. Yeah, this one here. So you can literally control the scale of the leaves or the branches and everything in the foliage distributor. So control the leaves or you can control the spacing here with the leaves. Okay, so everything is simply you can control here in the leaf distribution. Okay, this looks I don't think this is good for me, but for the sake of this video, I don't want to extend this video longer. So now the final node I want to add is I need to export this file, right? So I am going to add a output node, so we can deliver. It will deliver the skeletal mesh to the folder we are selecting. So here we need to add a name. Tree. Okay, I'm just putting a name here and select the folder, and yeah, I'm adding this to the folder, and you need to select this one, skeletal mesh or static mesh. If you are using foliage system, you need the static mesh, but if you're using the blueprint system for animated trees, then you need the skeletal mesh. And don't forget to make this as a voxelize. We don't have a preserve area, none or something. We need a voxelize for maximum performance. And what we want to do is we'll just click here, export. Just click export. So that's the tree mesh, and the skeletal thing will be exported into the folder we just created, and it will be totally animated. Now I'm going to show you how the animation would work, the animated tree would work. So we have the tree here. Yeah, the tree is here. The leaves are good looking. Yeah, it's good for me. Okay, if you want to add more leaves or something like that, you just have to get into the this thing, and you can add more leaves and things there. Okay, later it is possible. If you want to add more leaves or something like that, it is possible as well. Okay, let me just okay. Now what you have to do, see, there is no animation is here. The leaves not moving, the branches are not moving. It's just a static mesh, right? I need to make this tree more natural looking. Like we need wind, and the tree should be moved. Okay, so I need the wind. So for that I am going to make this tree as a blueprint. So create a blueprint and select actor, and let me just rename it as tree. Okay. And just open it and just click instance skin mesh. So select the this one, and what you want to add is here just transform provider, you have to select the wind, and skeletal asset you have to take the tree which we are created. What's the name? Let me just type tree. Let me just check the tree name. Tree, TRESS. Okay, that's not actual TRESS. Okay, my mistake. The spelling is totally wrong. So now we have added the skeletal mesh here, which we are created by using the procedural system, and we have added the wind transform provider, which has the wind animations here. Okay, so we want to see the thingy here, so we have to add an instance. For that you just have to type instance here. So, and you will see the instance value here. Just click on the plus value, so you'll see the tree here, which is totally animated, and this is totally optimized as well. Okay, now this is the tree which is animated. So this is a blueprint tree. Okay, and this is totally optimized, and you can literally add a lot of trees by creating the PCG system here. So I can just create a PCG graph here. So I can just create a whole new level of PCG system by using this PCG graph. I will create a video regarding this. On the next tutorial, I will just show you how to create a PCG graph system, and how to create a lot of trees by using this PCG graph system. So in this tutorial, I am just concentrating on this creating tree blueprint here. So this is a animated one which has the wind value and everything here, and this has a skeletal mesh in it, so it is totally performance oriented, and this thing is totally voxelized, so you don't have to worry about the performance of the PC. That's it. And if you see, the textures are really promising. It is really good looking. Now I hope this video helps you to understand how we can create a tree, a procedural tree, by using this PCG system, which is totally new to the Unreal Engine, available on Unreal Engine 5.7. So we can create a PCG tree system. We can control the branches and its gravity, slope, and the width of the tree, and everything will be controllable here. And we can easily export the tree, whether it is a skeleton mesh or static mesh, it is possible. And we can easily create a PCG system in the new PCG system in Unreal Engine 5 by using this new PCG grab. I will definitely make a tutorial regarding this new PCG system graph. So that's it. So thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe this channel. And yeah, thank you.